Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis and price prediction of Binance Coin BNB, and I will tell you my next price target for the BNB right now. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful informations. Links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. And if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Let's dive into the content and let me please tell you what is the next move of Binance Coin and what are the targets of Binance Coin in this year 2021. This is CoinGecko page of Binance Coin and it is currently trading at $623. Current rank of Binance Coin is 3 and market cap of Binance Coin is 9.7 billion, which is very good. 24-hour trading volume of Binance Coin is 4.6 billion, which is very good. Circulating supply of Binance Coin is just 154 million, which is very low, and it is very much beneficial for the Binance Coin and for the growth of Binance Coin. And total supply of Binance Coin is just 170 million because the owner of the Binance Coin is burning BNB, and that is why price of BNB is increasing and supply of BNB is decreased. And let me please show you some other price stats, and after that I will tell you what are the targets. In 30 days BNB gives 87% profit to its holders. In 1 year BNB coin gives 3495% profit to its holders, which is very good. All-time high of BNB is $638, and it was on May 2021, just 2 days ago, and the price was $638. All-time low of the Binance Coin was on October 19, 2017, about 3 years ago, and the price was $0.039. Here you can imagine the price of the BNB was 0.04, you can say 4 cents, and now it is currently trading at 638. All-time high is 638. How much profit this token gives to its holder, you can imagine. This is the Binance Coin chart, and here you can see how parabolically it is moving, and it is the rally of the Binance Coin started into 2021, and after that here you can see it was up and it create a W pattern, and after that it go up, and now it is also creating a W pattern. I will show you in my trading view chart. If you buy Binance Coin on then you can buy it on Binance exchange, BBC exchange, FTX exchange, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy the, Binance Coin on Binance exchange, then please go to in this video's description, and where you can get the link of Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds of your life. Let me please dive into the content, and this is the Binance Coin 4-hour chart of Binance USDT pair, and here you can see it is currently trading at $623 and price decline, and this is the resistance zone of the Binance is $646. Currently it is in this ascending wedge, and here you can see it is multiple rejection of BNB price from that zone, which is $640 to $649. And here you can see first rejection, here you can see another rejection, it is first rejection, and here you can see it is second rejection, and here you can see it is third rejection. And currently it is in this ascending wedge pattern, or you can say rising channel pattern. Currently actually it is a bearish pattern, you can say. Maybe it have to move like this, but currently we are in the bull trend, and I am not expecting Binance to go down. I think Binance have to move towards upside and break this horizontal resistance, which is at $640, I think so. Once Binance Coin BNB break this resistance, in that case our first target will be this. This is immediate short-term target based on support and resistance zone. Let me please tell you label on this. 750. 750 is our immediate short-term target for the Binance. But for this, Binance BNB coin should have to break this $650. Once BNB breaks $650 and close 4 hourly candle above this or hourly candles above this zone, in that case $750 is our target. Here you can see it was in this ascending channel, and after that here you can see how much price decreases and how price falls, and it was at $420. After that a bull trend, and after that a rejection, and price was 457, and now it is currently is in this ascending channel, ascending wedge, or you can say ascending channel. But this is a bearish pattern. Maybe price can go down to hit maybe let me please show you $590 or maybe $570. I think that are the zones, and after that price should have to move towards upside. BNB is currently struggling to break this zone, and it is trying hard to break this zone. Let me please show you another pattern that is very, very useful and very, very profitable if this happens. Here you can see it is a W pattern, and let me please calculate the area. Here you can see it is a W pattern, and we have to calculate this. Once it broke this area neckline, and in that case the target will be, let me please show you, $875, or you can say $877 is the target of this W pattern. Once it breaks $650 with hourly candle, in that case $750 and $877 are the target for us in BNB coin. I mentioned these strong buy zones of the Binance coin BNB. 480 is strong buy zone, $425 is strong buy zone, $335 is very, very strong buy zone, and strong selling zone is $580 to $638. This is strong selling zone. You can trade this, but I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing in this token or before trading this token. I will not responsible any kind of your losses. So please do your own research before buying this token or before investing in this token. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon and volume. EMA ribbon is currently at 573, which is very good and acting like a support zone for the Binance coin. And currently there is very less volume. Maybe volume we want that kind of volume. If that kind of volume, that kind of big tower comes, in that case definitely 750 and 875 very near, and BNB can hit these targets within days. I am much hopeful that BNB should have to move towards upside, maybe hit 750 within some days, or maybe hit 875 within some days. Let me please tell you my next targets according to the I think in 2000 according to the Fib retracement tool, it have to hit $2,000. This is the target. Let me please show you. According to the Fib retracement tool, 2015 is the target. But I think it can hit $2,500 to $3,000. That is my thinking. If this happens, if BNB price goes to $2,000, in that case, it will give you 210% profit. Sorry for that. But I think it have to move towards upside and have to hit $3,000. In that case, it will give you 360% profit from the current from when it break its all-time high. In that case, it will give you 360% profit if it hits $3,000. Let me please show you how much profit this token gives, this coin gives to its holders in 2021. Let me please show you. Let me please convert it into daily chart. Here you can see. It is daily chart. Let me please do this. Sorry for that. Here you can see. It is not correct. Let me do it again. Yes, it is correct. 20x. It gives its holders 20x profit, 2000% profit in this year 2021, which is very good. And if BNB hit my target, in that case, it will have to move only 360% towards upside. In that case, it should hit $3,000. $3,000 is very realistic target for the BNB right now for me, and I think BNB can hit this target within 2021. This is my final target for the BNB. I hope that you like this video, and if you want to join this token, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Do me a favor, click on this link and create your Binance account if you want to create a new account. In that case, please use my link. Thanks for the watching, and please keep supporting me. Take care.